Headlight restoration is an affordable and effective way to make your car safer and more attractive. Foggy headlamps limit the projection of light and visibility. The process starts with wet sanding to remove road grit and oxidation. Ingredients here are light detergent, sandpaper, and lots of elbow grease. When a headlamp is restored, it returns to full capacity. Over time, sunlight and weather conditions run down the surface of a headlamp. The result is a foggy, dull finish projecting a dim light. When the headlamp is clean, a fine grit compound is applied thoroughly to the lamp and worked onto the surface with a rotating buffer. Our restoration professionals work on thousands of headlamps in a year. We can see the headlamp coming back to life with that original showroom shine. Once the original road grit is fine sanded, the surface should be re-inspected, and if deeper occlusions are found, more wet sanding may be needed. Then, when all the grit, abrasion, and dull finish have been removed, the polish is applied. This step returns the factory luster and clarity to the headlamp. One down and one to go.
Another one bites the dust. Ow! Another one bites the dust. Hey, hey! Another one bites the dust.